Hi friends, in this video I will be showing small plastic gear. I will also tell you how we can purchase this product. See, this is a product. So let me test this. For testing I will be using this motor. So let me turn on. I will tag the product. You can purchase that product from the tag. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.